All right, a couple final miscellaneous settings that you maybe want to look at that isn't for everybody, but it might be for you, is actually in the uploading section. Whenever you're uploading files, sometimes you don't want things such as protected content or maybe secretive content and stuff like that to just be easily guessed in a certain folder. So what you can do is you can specify an alternate folder in this box here. Also, another thing is that as you start to accumulate, months and years worth of content, by default, WordPress will organize all of your uploads into month and year based folders. So as you accumulate maybe 4 years worth of uploads, you're going to have 4 years, and then each of these years is going to have 12 months, and then there's going to be each individual file. And that gets pretty folder intensive after a while. If that's not your method of organization, you can uncheck it and it'll just put everything into a bulk folder. And that makes it a lot easier for backup purposes and download purposes. So that's something you may want to consider, but isn't necessarily for everybody. And that about does it for the miscellaneous settings.